some bags are trunks. Some bags are trunks. All trunks are shirts. All trunks are shirts. Some shirts are books. So let us differentiate, right? Some bags are trunks. All trunks are shirts. Some shirts are books. All books are shops. All the books are shops. These are shirts. Okay. So that's the basic diagram, right? Some bags are trunks. All trunks are shirts. Some shirts are books, and all books are shops. Now conclusion 1. All shops are bags. All shops are bags. If you look at the basic, this is the basic diagram again, remember, right? So what's the point? If a conclusion doesn't satisfy the basic diagram, you can straight away mark it as false, right? You can mark it as wrong. So in the basic diagram, what do you see? The first conclusion, all shops are bags. In the basic diagram, shops and bags do not overlap at all, right? Shops and bags do not overlap at all. So all shops are bags is clearly a wrong conclusion. Then at least some books are bags. We have discussed earlier that at least some is as good as some. So don't worry about the word at least. Only look at some books are bags, right? There is no difference between at least some and some. So some books are bags. Some books are bags. Look at the basic diagram again. Books and bags do not overlap at all, right? Books and bags do not overlap at all. So conclusion 2 also is wrong, because a conclusion that does not satisfy the basic diagram is anyway wrong. Here some books are bags is not correct in basic diagram, hence it is wrong. Third conclusion, some shops being shirts is a possibility. Some shops being shirts is a possibility. Now if you look at the basic diagram, some shops being shirts is possible. You see, there's an overlapping between shops and shirts. So some shops being shirts is possible. Yes or no? Some shops being shirts is a possibility. Some shops being shirts is a possibility. Clearly from the basic diagram, some shops, it is possible that some shops are shirts. In fact, it is definite that some shops will be shirts. Are you able to follow? So I would say some shops being shirts is possible. It is possible. You cannot say that this is not possible. See, if you say that this is wrong, you are saying that it is not possible, right? But it is actually possible. Some shops being shirts is a possibility. So conclusion number 3 is correct, right? Look at conclusion 4. It looks like correct. I'll come back to conclusion 3. Do not worry. I'll come to conclusion 3 again, because I know there's a lot of doubt in your mind about number 3 here. Let us look at 4 first. Number 4. No shirt is bag. No shirt is bag. Now, no shirt is bag. Shirt is which one? ST, right? Yeah. No shirt is bag. Is it true? No, it's not true, because in the basic diagram itself, shirts and bags overlap. When shirts and bags overlap, how can you say no shirt is bag is true? Because in the basic diagram itself, it is false. And something which is not following the basic diagram is anyway wrong. So, clearly 1, 2 and 4 are wrong, right? 1, 2 and 4 are wrong. Now the question is about conclusion number 3 here. I would actually like to mention something here. There are many books and many sources which believe that something which is definite should not be taken as possibility. Like some authors actually say that they should be taken as wrong, because some shops being shirts is a possibility, they say is wrong. But I have always maintained that no, this is correct, because possibility, I mean, if it is definite, then it is always possible. You cannot say that it is not possible. So the point is, some shops being shirts is a possibility is true according to me. But like I've mentioned, some books, many students have also told this to me in many of the live sessions that, sir, I have found this, that a definite conclusion when given in terms of possibility is taken as wrong. So the point that I'm trying to make is there are two views of this. Should we take it as right or wrong? I would say take it as right. I would still say take it as right, right? Now when you look at the options, clearly only 1 and 2 follow is wrong. Only 2 and 3 follow is also wrong. Only 3 and 4 follow is wrong. Only 2 and 4 follow is also wrong. None follow is also wrong. But like I said, if you want to choose the best of the options, assuming that what they are saying is correct. I mean, see, it's like you have to always play safe, right? So even if you assume that what others are saying is correct, that a definite conclusion should not be taken as a possibility, then this also will become false. So all will not be following. So none follows will be correct, right? So answer here, you should, I mean, if you face this kind of situation in the exam, I would say mark option 5 as the answer. None follows.